key innovations, I'd say the on the mechanical side, it was definitely I'm using this belt to like help roll the joint. And the belt is actually like a designed consumable. So you replace it like every like 10, 20,000 joints. And because it's kind of like the key component in the system, it you basically go back to a new machine like when you replace it. So it's like it's kind of like acting as your key wear item, so everything else like doesn't get worn out. So
S-
it's kind of cool.
so the belt itself will last what for 10 to 20 hours?
Yeah, right. And
Okay.
it's usually about like a week or so.
And what is the belt made out of?
It's a proprietary belt material, so like it's got some non-stick properties, but also has a relatively stiff woven inner layer, so it's a composite. But yeah, it's a proprietary blend.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me more about the rest of the mechanical parts.
Yeah, so that's a big one. The other one is I'm one of the only machines that uses a like a roll of paper. So we have this, it's called a bobbin, but it's just it's 3,000 meters of rolling paper on a spool.
Interesting.
Yeah, and it's great because it's it's very consistent and it comes from a shared supply chain, which is tobacco. So I kind of like snuck in, like get this really nice quality paper. Um, and it's just a really quality input to the machine. You can fit about 40,000 joints on a bobbin and it fits in a backpack. So it's like super space efficient, super it's just efficient in general compared to like all the cones that are actually start off as a bobbin that then goes to a factory in China and people roll it into these like kind of like delicate little like cones and then they ship it on a crate like in a container overseas back to the US that's mostly filled with air and so it's like it's just a really unsustainable practice.